Hi guys, good morning. So today we will see the toast in Kotlin. So how this we will perform, we'll see here. So in this existing program, so just I'll add one button. So once we click on that button, so we will show the toast and I'll explain you what is toast and all here now. So let me create this. So I'll create one ID for this. So ID. So Android ID. So that is BT. The next text. So text I'm giving as toast only. So now here for this button, I want to write the action here. So within this here, I'm writing here binding dot. So for the binding dot BT dot set on-click listener. So I'm applying the on-click listener for this button. So once we click on this, I want to display the toast here. So the toast is nothing but toast is the one kind of pop-up message. It should display up to certain time. So the first in this, we will write the three parameters. So first is the context. The second area is the message. So here I'll write this, you clicked button. So just I'm writing this like this. The next is the toast dot length long. Finally, dot show. So I written like this. So means it's a simple while running this, but I'll show you this. What is this? So now the toast is nothing but it's a one kind of pop-up message where user can alert the user. So we will use this. So using this, we can show it's a lot of, even though if we are in out of application also, this will display. Like when we reach any Wi-Fi joint, it gives some pop-up, you connected to Wi-Fi. So Bluetooth available, network available. So such kind of all messages it should display, right? That is the toast. So this is very, very important. In many cases, we use this in our application development level. So, but this message part, so where we can write in a different ways, like directly you can write here message, or you can write from the strings.xml, or you can write from the server side, what is the response we are getting. So even that also we can write this. So that is nothing but here the toast. See here now, once this will run, we will see how the toast will display in mobile. So that is here. Yeah, it is almost done. So now it is installing. We will see that here now. Yeah, it is launching. We'll see here now. Here now, this is the, I'm clicking on this button. See, you clicked the button. Like I click here, I clicked many times, more than 5-6 times, and I'm coming out of the application. So even if I'm out of the application also, still the toast is displaying. Like this is the advantage of this toast. Even you are outside of that also, it will display that. So this is the about this toast. Thank you.